Hi, to check serial number of your Marshall Minor 4, as a first step we need to open the charging case and take out both earbuds. Right now, in this inner part of the charging case, if you take a close look on the top, you will see serial number. Let me just zoom in a bit and change lightning. So if we take a close look, we can check this first section above the K letter, and here you'll see this long numbers, which is serial number, also indicated by these two letters as N. So you need to simply open the case of your earbuds and check it by itself, because in my case it is really hard to recognize this serial number. But yeah, we got it right here. Let me just zoom out and show you another way how to check serial number. So for that, we would need to take our phone and make sure that this Marshall Bluetooth app is installed and that your earbuds are connected to this app. And in this case right here, you should see battery percentage, and yep, here it is. So now we will need to simply scroll down till this About Device tab, and here we'll see the serial number. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.